Morning, guys. How we doing? Morning, Fletcher, Albu, Khaled, Michael, Nima, Colin, Martin, Dave. Looks like there's only 7 of us here, so we'll just chill. Oh, what a weekend, huh? Yeah, guys, if we could do me a favor and just leave the drama and everything behind us. This is the only time I'm going to talk about it on the live streams. We're here to support each other. It's just a difference in opinion on direction of the server. And yeah, let's just all move forward. I'm not looking to be dragged down by anyone. I'm not looking to trash anyone. It is what it is. Nima, yeah, it was nice and relaxing somewhat. I got some sleep. I watched a little football. Ate some good food. Got a couple workouts in. Yeah, it was nice. It was nice. We're coming up on like the time when they're going to start ripping up my floors and stuff. So there probably will be a week where the streaming might be light. I think they are starting September 16th, so that week might be a little light on the live streams, depending upon when I can get to my setup. Dave, you can trash your golf game. No, I'm not. There's going to be no trashing. I'm not. That's just not in my personality to be trashing anybody. I'm in no place to pass judgment on anyone. But B, I just. It's not right to do it publicly. You know, if you have a problem with somebody, approach them face to face, man to man, or woman to woman. And do it behind closed doors. You know, don't do it on a public site. You know, things were said, things were done. We're just gonna move on. And people are entitled to their own opinions. You know, if people want to continue to talk about it, they can continue to talk about it, but we're not going to do that. Or at least I'm not going to do that, and definitely not on a live stream. So yeah. Morning, Kev. Welcome. So needless to say, the free Discord will be linked in the description down below on this video. And from here on out, you will find myself and Albu here at Level Up. It is going to be a free community. There will be private sections as well for like-minded individuals to hang out. We are still doing finishing touches on the server itself. I will be upgrading my subscription. It's going to be probably about a month, but I will be boosting the server on my end. If you guys would like to contribute a little bit and support the server, feel free to use boosts so that we can have more functionality within the server as well. I mean, I'm obviously not looking to spend $100 to have max boosts every month on the server when it's not generating any money or any income. But morning, Phoenix. But yeah, if you guys have a Nitro subscription and are willing to boost the server, Albu and I would greatly appreciate it, as would the rest of the community. So yeah. Nice, Phoenix. Appreciate you, brother. We got markets opening up here in about a minute and a half. Guys, we have been trading within a range for over a week. I know there's been violent moves and everything, but we're trading sideways. And I would assume it'll probably be much the same until after NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday. So just be patient, be careful, play the extremes, and don't get into any chop is my recommendation for the day. So yeah, with that being said, I'll be looking for shorts off the further extremes. You know, Off this 850 level, I'll be looking for setup shorts, and off the 930 up there, I'll be looking for shorts, and I'll be playing longs off the bottom. I like this 520 to 540 buy, and I like the 930 to 950 sell. If we get above 950 and are holding above 950, I'm not opposed to taking the long back above 20K, but I'll be patient here at the beginning. I know it is a UK holiday, so the volume might be a little light. Yeah. So that's my read for today. It's semi-new, Martin. I traded it on Thursday and Friday. Max loss on Thursday, or DLL on Thursday, and then Friday you guys saw the $1,200 trade. So the balance on this one sits at $50,183. But yeah, semi-new, I suppose. Good morning, Casper. Anyway, I hope you guys are all enjoying the new server. Albu and Mason and Ollie put in a lot of work to get that thing done and up and running, or at least functionable over the weekend. Yeah, and I appreciate their efforts, obviously. But we are still making changes. There will be modifications to it. All the ones from Seeking Kappa or Team Kitchen, that all the members from there can request a day one role, and you'll have your own little hangout section where, you know, Kevin will probably be sharing his charts and talking live in the hangout over there. So if you're interested in that, just get a hold of Albu or Mason, and they will change that role and make that available to you. You guys are getting in right off the bat, huh? Kevin, you're long from 750? Yeah, I don't know what to expect out of today. I'm assuming it's going to be a range type day. You know, with the UK holiday and everything, volume a little bit lighter than normal. Any of you guys do anything fun over the weekend? Yeah, Martin, I want to say Albu was on top of the role changing and everything, but I'm not sure. I'm not Discord savvy. You can call me a Discord illiterate, so I'm just a face on camera. That's all I am. Yeah, Donna, it is a double inside day. The daily chart's still ugly to me. You know, I mean, we are hanging out above the daily 50 SMA. I'm not opposed to a long down there if it's holding above. But I think this is how it's going to be for the next until Wednesday, really. Until Wednesday at the close. Wednesday might be a little wild with people positioning for NVIDIA earnings, but I'm pretty sure it's safe to assume we'll probably stay within the range. I mean, we've been range bound for a while, albeit a big range, you know, a 500-point range, but it's been range bound for a while. So how do we play the extremes? You buy lows and you sell highs. Not overly complicated. Yeah, Donna, I agree. Scalper's mentality, plenty of range to play off of. I'm going to be patient. I did kind of have something crazy happen over the weekend, and somebody hacked my debit card and tried to purchase $20,000 worth of merchandise. Luckily, my bank caught it, but I'm currently without a debit card. Fletcher, you're kind of interested along here. Yeah, I'm also looking at like the ES, and I just don't like where the ES is sitting. I wanted to pick a direction first. At 56.65 on ES seems to be like it's rejected quite a bit recently. It's currently trading below. Call in pocket change. No, $20,000 is not pocket change for me. That's a lot of money. That's a lot of money. Nima, the golden level. I'm not putting that back on my charts. Not yet, at least. Yeah, Dave, I'm with you. I think it's just a lot of chop today. I'm not even sure that I'll be able to catch a trade myself. Morning, Ollie. Welcome. Thanks for your efforts over the weekend on the new server, by the way. Really appreciate you. So how are we feeling today, guys? Anybody, I think I asked before, did anybody, I know what Dave did over the weekend. He had a golf tournament, but did anybody else do anything cool, interesting, exciting? Yeah, Chris, I'm with you. My weekend was pretty uneventful, other than the debit card hacking incident. Yeah, Abu. Dave's memory is quite remarkable. To remember, I couldn't remember probably 5 holes of a round of golf every shot, much less 2 entire rounds of golf. And the man remembered every shot. That was unbelievable. I was fully invested in the story. Nemo, your girlfriend made a PDF on holiday destinations and activities. You probably need a girl like that in your life. Some structure. I mean, Dave, a memory like that will help you in this line of work. Oh, yeah, Chris. Yeah, I saw the pictures from the flooding in your house. Is that what you're working on? Join the club, brother. Join the club. Chris, my right profile is the full day. So when the futures market opens up at 6 p.m. or it's 8 p.m. 8 p.m. is when my profile resets for the current day, and then it stops tracking it at 5 o'clock p.m. Eastern. So 8 p.m. Eastern to 5 p.m. Eastern. But it's located on my 5-minute chart. Yeah, Dave, that's kind of like, it's almost like you have a photographic memory. If you have recall like that. That was impressive. Very impressive. Yeah, my energy levels are kind of down this morning, guys. So chat engagement is going to be big with this live stream. Quantower wants to give you problems this morning. Yeah, I had to do an update yesterday. Seems like they've had a lot of updates recently. Sanders, I've heard that Top Step X does have some, like if you're using market orders, I've heard that from numerous users that they've had fill issues. Donna just ask any golfer how'd you play and then get some popcorn. Yeah. I don't know. I know when I golf, I do not remember every single shot for my round. I can say that. All right, so let's see here. Looks like we got some big order blocks down below. Let's get this squared away here so we can have a wider view on the heat map. Okay. Yeah, Sanders, I'm with you. By 6 hole, you're not remembering anything unless you're holing one out. Looks like there's 20 of us in here right now. Wait, so Dave, you were long 750 and now you're short 752? Hey, Ethan, welcome. Thanks for joining. Yeah, I want nothing to do with this area. I feel like getting involved in this 750 area, you're asking to get chopped. I don't know that we're going to catch much of anything today, guys. I would prefer to be executing from lower. $600. I think if we get down there, we're probably flushing, Casper, but that's just me. I mean, I'm seeing some wick action here on the 15-minute. But I would say it comes and cleans up some of this below here if we get down there. Could be wrong, but that's what I would think would happen. Okay, what just happened? There we go. Oh, nice, Ollie. Yeah, that's a good catch. 70 points. Yeah, Sanders, I mean, if we get a hold here above 680, I don't mind the long back into the range. I might wait till initial balance is set. You know, I'm not looking to rush this thing. Oh, Ali retrading the London session. How was trading the London session? Was it slow? Can't imagine a whole lot of volume being traded during that time. Nice, Dave. Yeah, what holiday is it over there? Out of curiosity. Speaking of which, to all you UK viewers, next Monday is Labor Day here in the US. So I probably won't stream next Monday. I don't even know if we can trade or not. I haven't looked. I don't think we can. I'm pretty sure it's a national holiday. Bank holiday. Yeah, Chris, I'm with you. It's I mean, Dave's trading it well. But it's just choppy. I mean, relatively low volume. $20 points on either side of 750. Pretty much is what we're looking at. 40 points on either side, I guess. Oh, I'm looking at the Level Up Discord, and apparently Palmetto's asking if we should invite Trades by Matt in. I didn't know he'd be interested in joining our little server here. I mean, it'd probably be nice for him, actually. A little quieter. I haven't even thought about it. Thought the man was too busy to join our little server. I'd love to have Matt in if he wants a quieter place to hang out. Albu, I can reach out to him if Yeah, I mean, I'd love to have him in. I like Matt. I respect him. Honestly, he's the reason how we all met each other. Oh man, guys, I might not catch a trade today, and that's okay. I will have to, let's see, rebill. Rebill, I think, is Thursday on this combine. So if I don't catch a trade today, you probably will see some YOLOing on this account. No sense in not YOLOing to try to get it passed before the rebill. Yeah, yeah, Martin. I mean, that's what it'll be. Like, if I don't catch anything today, that's what it will be. It'll be max contract. Yeah, well, maybe not max contract. You don't really need to max contract in these market conditions. Well, today's market conditions, you kind of either have to have really good entries or swing for the fences. I don't know. For a long at this point, I would need to see a reclaim of 750 and holding above. I'm only looking at shorts below here. You can kind of see rejection stepping in here at 730. So I'm thinking it goes lower. Yeah, Dave, I'm with you. I don't even... Where is overnight low at? That's not overnight low, is it? Oh, I guess it is. Oh no, a little bit lower. Oh no, that is overnight low. So we just swept overnight lows. Yeah, I'm kind of watching the ES here, guys. That 56.65 is major supply. So as long as price is hanging out below on the ES 56.65, I won't be taking longs till it comes lower, like 56.45 test at least. I do still think we sweep lower. Or at least I hope we sweep lower. Let's put it that way. Nice, Nima. 50 points. It looks like everybody's banking today. Am I the only one sitting on my hands? I mean, well done. Well done trading this. Yeah. Apparently I am the only one sitting on my hands. Yeah, Donna, scalping is not my strong suit. Here we go. Now we're starting to sweep a little bit lower. Yeah, Dave's timing was impeccable there at 750. Caught the long there and the short there. Dave's out here just slinging it around. Just trade after trade after trade. Short again, 718 now. My goodness. Dave, what do you got? You got the 5-second chart up right now? I wish I was as good a scalper as that. I'm just not. Dave came in and chose violence this morning after his golf round over the weekend. He chose aggressive violence. Yeah. I mean, I don't think he hasn't taken an L yet. Hey, keep it going, Dave. Keep hitting it while it's hot. You know, if you're seeing something clear, ride it. Nima, not on these live streams. I haven't put consistent winners together. I'll say that. Yeah. I mean, I've had a fairly good last year, but the key to my success was always sitting around being patient. You know, I don't find a trade every day. It's as simple as that. I just don't. There's a lot of times where I'm just staring at the charts for hours, and you know, after a few hours, if I'm not feeling it, if I'm not seeing it clearly, I walk away generally. Now that I've started live streaming, it's a little bit different. I've been kind of forcing things, and it feels like I've just been like you know, my timing's been off in this market. It feels like I've been right on direction a lot of the time on my losing trades. But due to market volatility and, well, trying to stay engaged with chat and not really fully focused on the charts themselves, which is getting better, but it's still a learning curve for me, you know, trying to stay engaged with the chat, stare at the charts, make sure I'm not having crazy technical difficulties like I've had on OBS or any of that. So like I'm still adjusting to the whole live streaming process, and it's different. I have a whole newfound respect for all the traders that do live stream and have an entertaining live stream, because there's a lot going on, a lot of noise on this end. So yeah, you know, I'll sit there, I'll engage with the chat, I'll look up and be like, dang, I missed an opportunity, and kind of FOMO into the position just to be in a trade and end up getting wicked out of trades. Nah, Nimkins, I'm definitely not the GOAT. Definitely not the GOAT. I'm an average trader. I'm an average trader. I'm an okay analyst. But there are far better traders out there than myself, Nima. We're going to the golden level. What golden level is that? 550 now? 19,550? How many golden levels we got? Nah, I don't know that we get that low today. I mean, I hope we do. I would love nothing more than to see a break below 680, come back up and retest, and hold below for the short down there. Be a one and done kind of day for me. That would be ideal. That short off 730 is paying right now. Ooh, Martin. Nice target. Yikes. Well, you almost got that in about 2 seconds. Nice trade, Martin. Wow, everybody put a GG's for Martin on that trade. That was quick. Yeah, this break and retest on the 5-minute here is actually really clean. $666 always pays. See if I can get like a 680 to 690 entry for a short. This is feeling like where we're heading. Hoping it's just not a straight shot. And all of a sudden, there's a lot of volatility out of nowhere after a dead open. It's like an 80.5 minute candle to the downside. Hey, Mason. You at work today? Yeah, these guys are killing it. I'm sitting on my hands. Oh, are you on your break, Mason? What are you eating? Chicken strips and chips, as you would say? The palate of an 8-year-old? Yep, there it is. Chicken and chips, as always. Oh, that's funny. Yeah, I'll wait to see about the retest up in here. If we can get it. That's true, Nima. I don't know what the Brits have against flavors. But I hear their palates are pretty bland. Probably better for your health though. Over here, we put all kinds of crap in our food. Well, tell me this, Mason. Do you at least have like some honey mustard or something to dip those chicken strips in? You know? Or is it just plain chicken strips and chips? No, it's not shots fired. You guys eat healthier than we do. I guess I'm not gonna get an entry. Honestly, I should have been looking at the 1 minute. Break, retest, hold below. Instead, I was talking about fish and or chicken and chips. Greg's? What's Greg's? Nimkins, what's Greg's? I've never been to the UK. Would love to go. Yeah, Casper, I'm with you. I execute always on my 5 minute, but the 1 minute, I know some traders use even like a 2 minute or 3 minute instead of using the 1 minute. I haven't really looked into it to see if it's cleaner on the 2 minute or the 3 minute. Well, Nimkins, it's clear that that is one quality that I do possess, is patience. DJ, you like the 3 minute? Yeah, I know. I've heard a lot of traders do use those time frames. In fact, I mean that's probably where I should be looking, is over here at the 1 minute, or change it to a 2 or 3 minute. Because on the 5 minute, that move isn't as clear. But when you look at the 1 minute, this is a clear break and retest of a level that I have drawn as a level that I'd like to execute at. And a hold below for the short that was good currently for 35 points right now. Yeah, Fletcher, I mean everybody seems to be killing it today. I guess you had to be super aggressive. It's all right. It's a Monday. We'll ease into the week, especially with NVIDIA earnings on Wednesday. Wednesday could be wild. In fact, let's see what this looks like on a 2 minute. I mean, that's pretty good. That's pretty clean. Tell you what, let's try something new. Let's try the 2 minute. Instead of the 1 minute, let's try the 2 minute. Yeah, Chris, I'm with you. Mondays I kind of like to ease into the week. Those are usually the days where I don't catch a trade. mean, we don't even have initial balance set yet. Still got 10 minutes, 9 minutes for initial balance to be set. ES is trying to hold 56.45 currently. What's Martin, you have support at 590. Yeah, I mean, there's a couple wicks here. Nemo, we know you have support at 550. Kev, if you're still here, what's the clock say? Yeah, guys, how wild was that on Friday? Watching Kev take some serious heat. He was in that trade the entire day on Friday, just in case any of you missed it. Didn't know if you'd mentioned it before, Nemo. Yeah. You definitely mentioned the 550 level. Kev's clock is wrong. I don't necessarily hate a 620 long right now as long as the ES holds that 56.45 area, 56.46. I know I don't have a level there, but it's starting to look like we're going to play the range once again. I'd like for it to sweep lower. I'd like for it to sleep down here into 520 to 540 before I do get long, but I don't know that we're going to have the volume to back that move today. Martin, I know you said volume profile. Are you using a like monthly volume profile to determine that? Weekly volume profile? Oh, there goes my long. Hang on, guys. I'll be right back. Water flowing through me. All right, be right back. Okay, Martin. So use the current month. Fletcher, you're long. You finally hit it. Yeah. If it would have held these green candle lows, I probably would have been on board with you. But that sweep there was... It's feeling like we might grind down. Like the ES isn't quite as heavy as the NQ is right now. The ES is kind of holding up better. hoping this, I mean, sorry, Fletcher, but I'm kind of hoping it sweeps a little bit lower. There we go. Well, Nimkins, let's see if you can, your level can get hit here. Oh, nice trade, Khaled, if you're still here. I see it over in Discord. Yeah. Yes, Nima, you did. There's a big order there at 550 that probably gets hit. Yeah, nice trade. I see it. Looks like you added into a winner there too. I have a hard time doing that. I don't know why. Just psychologically, I have a hard time doing that. No, we haven't got there yet, Nima. Not yet. Yeah, Sanders. All of a sudden, Nimkins is a fortune teller, apparently. He called the 900 top on Friday. He called, what was it, 18,450 a couple weeks ago. He's had some good calls. Jeez, this is a 60.5 minute candle right now, over 60. I know, Martin. Yeah, Sanders, I feel that. I feel like that's been my entire trading on these live streams, is being right about direction, just terrible timing. Just a little bit lower here, NQ. We might be trying to catch this falling knife here. Donna, they did take away DLL on Top Step X combines only. All other platforms, it's still, the DLL is still in place. So if you're trading on Quant Tower, Sierra Charts, or Trade of 8, you're still subject to DLL. with Top Step. Come on, NQ, a little bit lower. Yeah, Donna, the Top Steps runs all their promos pretty much through their Top Step X platform for whatever reason. I think they're just trying to get more people to use their platform. Yeah, Ollie, you had the short of the day there, it looks like. All right, guys. If we reclaim 520, I'm probably going to try the long. Has to hold, though. Kind of like it to clean out this big order at 500 first and then bounce. How big is that block? Almost a 200 block at 500. All right. I might front run this block here. All right, let's try it. Can I get the full 1500 here? All right, we're in. All right, I'm locking that one in, guys. I don't like it to stall out there at 50. Okay, so that was a $545 trade right there. So it was a winner. Probably could have held. I do think I would have got the full target, but I'm not willing to watch the volatility come all the way back on me. If it does. I think that was probably low of the day. The fact that we didn't sweep that block down there at 500 was pretty telling to me. Yeah, it was a good trade. It's a good trade. It was exactly what I was looking for. It was a good trade. I was watching the ES there at that 56.32 that it seems like we've been talking about forever. I saw it hold that level and reclaim. So I still think we probably grind back higher unless they want to come and sweep out that, grab that order that's sitting at 500, that big order. But the stall out there was what made me exit. I would have wanted to see a stronger, almost engulfing here to hang in that trade longer than what I did. And now we're seeing a reclaim of 540. So I'm thinking we probably trade back up into probably 600. You know, for, I guess, all you ICT guys, that's a fairly large 5-minute fair value gap here. Fairly large. Yeah, that Mason, that is catching the falling knife. That is catching the falling knife. But it made sense. That's why I'm not really concerned about candle structure or candle closes, you know, whether it needs to close, a 5-minute needs to close outside of a key level. All I care about is price and volume and what price is doing around my levels of interest. Looks like there's 22 of you here hanging out still. Thanks for hanging out, guys. Appreciate your continued support, obviously. Hopefully this channel continues to grow. I will reach out to Matt later and see if he's interested in joining our little community. It'll be a little bit safer for him. You know. I mean, there's a lot of the OGs from the Good Gains Discord and formerly Chart Bulls Discord that I'm sure he hasn't heard from in a while because some of us don't really post in the Good Gains Discord much anymore. But I will reach out to him and see. Yeah, everybody, if you could, hit that thumbs up button for me. We're trying to get Mason paid. The kid does a lot of work on this YouTube channel. It'd be nice to get him paid. He does a lot of work on everything, actually. Discord. He's a good kid. Hard working. So let's try to get to 500 subs. Yeah, Fletcher, it became I don't know. It really got watered down. It was so good back in the day. You know, everybody was talking trading and throwing out good ideas, you know, discussing strategies and whatnot. And then all of a sudden it just became, hey, let's trash talk each other. Let's just have a bunch of unwarranted noise. At least in my opinion. Like, I'm there because I like Matt and I trust Matt and I support Matt. Get at Mac the second part of the chicken and chips. That's funny. Yeah, it's overcrowded for sure. Well, and there's a bunch of know-it-alls over there too that are trying to give out signals every 2 minutes. Every time a new candle prints, they're telling you exactly where the market's going. A lot of noise. Yeah, Matt's a good dude. I trust him. Shame on anybody who trashes the man. He's got nothing to prove to any of us. Like I said, guys, this probably slow grinds back up into 600. I just wasn't willing to hold through the drawdown. And granted, I wouldn't have taken any heat. My entry was down here at 520. But it probably grinds back into 600. ES held 56.32. It probably comes back down, test it again. If it holds 56.32, we probably bounce. So 56.40 on NQ would be where I'm thinking. Looks like a good bounce. I don't even know where VWAP is right now. It's so far up there. 19,700. Yeah, I like the little community that we have built. Yeah, Martin, I don't understand it. You know, like, we're supposed to be... trading is hard. We're supposed to be supporting each other. I just don't... I don't even care if you're trading a paper account. Let's put it that way. As long as you can explain your entries, your execution, your strategy, I don't care what account you're trading. You have nothing to prove to anybody. I mean, nothing at all other than your family and yourself. You have nothing to prove to anybody. I could care less whether you're trading a paper account or a cash account or a personal account or a PA or an evaluation or a combine. I don't care. You don't need to share that with me. You don't need to share that with anybody. All I care about is the trade itself. That's it. That's it. We're all trying to be better. We're all trying to make money here. We're all trying to help each other out. Let's not tear each other down. You know, when someone is down or having a bad day, pick them up. Reassure them that everything will be okay. You know, offer them words of encouragement. You know, if someone's having a great day, pat them on the back, even if you're not having a good day. I love seeing it when people are succeeding. I like seeing people make money and feel good about themselves. A lot of trading is your mindset. You know, if you're feeling good, you know, that will show in your trading. Nimkins is bullying people with his 550 level. No, Nimkins has had some good calls. Yeah, Donna, I agree. I could care less what account you're trading. Could care less. Or what the account balance looks like, big or small. You know, very few of us have seen each other's faces in real life. You know, we're just a name on the internet for the most part, other than myself, obviously. I mean, you all know what I look like now. I know what Kevin looks like. I know what Mason looks like. I know what Casper looks like. I know what Nima looks like. But yeah, like I said, what I care about is the trade itself. You have nothing to prove to me or anybody else. You don't look like roadkill, Casper. Dave, you're still out here slinging? Wow. No, I like the slow grind back up. I mean, I think you at least get 600 out of it, 610, somewhere around there. It might be choppy on the way up there, but inevitably, I think that's where it goes in trades. Straight up usually leads to straight down and vice versa. This is a straight down move with no resistance really in these two 5-minute, 10-minute stretch. So we probably go right back up into this area. Is it like that 100% of the time? No, but the majority of the time that is how it plays out. I really don't expect us to break out of the range on NQ. Out of this range until post Nvidia earnings. So you can clearly see why I was looking at the level that I was looking at for my long. You know, I was long 520. Seems like a reasonable bounce spot. Prices bounced there before 1, 2, 3 times over the past week. That's a high quality long. Nice, Tenor. Glad you caught that. Albu's got 664 as a level. Yeah, I didn't even... It's been so busy with the launch of the new Discord and everything and getting all caught up and answering DMs and questions that I haven't... I didn't really do much pre-market analysis this morning other than hey, let me look at an hourly chart, see what's going on, and we'll just wing it today. And I expect tomorrow to be much the same. I don't expect much price exploration outside of that range. You know, so we'll be selling tops and we'll be buying bottoms. Let's see, would I have caught my full trade? Yeah, I mean, I would have caught almost 67 points right now. Well, I was just glad to actually catch a trade today, guys. I thought I was going to be sitting there for a while. But price actually came down to the level that I was interested in, so I executed. Might have been the low of the day. It's hard to believe they left that big 200 block at 500 just chilling down there. Is it still there? Yeah, it's still there. I don't know if it's 200 still, but... Hey, Chase, welcome. Where you been, brother? Hope everything's okay. Yeah, Ollie, it was full target. It's okay, though. I'll take the base hit for now. If we consider a $500+ trade a base hit. I think that was the low of the day, guys. I mean, there's that 610 area I was talking about. Yeah, Chuck, you'd love to consider a $500 trade a base hit. I mean, it's 25 points. Well, really, I got, what, 27 points there, roughly? You know, on micros, that's a $50 trade. A little over. $54 trade. Good, Chase. Obviously, you have a place here. So once again, guys, the link to the new Discord is down in the description below the video. If you haven't joined yet, feel free to join. It is a free community. Our goal is to just be supportive, engaged, actively engaged members of a trading community to help each other out. We don't want any drama in there. If we do see drama or obscene things being posted in there, we will be actively booting people. Let's just everybody be cool. Let's have a chill, nice community. I can already see the back to VWAP memes probably flying in somewhere. If we get above this area right here at 610, next level of interest would be 660 to 680 for me. Yeah, Ollie, the invite on my stream is set to never expire. So they will, anybody that wants to join can join. It will be highly monitored. And we just aren't going to accept the nonsense in there. It's simple as that. We're here to trade. We're here to learn from each other. We're here to support each other. So if you have drama, leave it outside of that Discord, please. And thank you. I don't know about how you guys feel, but I just don't have room for that in my life. Life is too short. Chris, you like the background music? Yeah, it's just copyright-free, downloadable music off of Upbeat is the name of the site. They have all sorts of tracks on there. I do need to do some work on it. I've heard of Epidemic Sound or something like that. Is a good site to get your music from, but I haven't done any research into it. From what I saw, it's pretty pricey over there. Well, alright guys, I think I'm gonna call it there for today. I'm getting a little hungry, so I think I'm gonna go grab a bite to eat. So it was a one and done day for me. Long off 520, probably could have held the rest of the day, honestly, or at least a full target. But I'm happy with the winning trade. I haven't had a lot of those recently, but that's back-to-back winning days on a live stream for me. So we're moving in the right direction. I will be around over in the Level Up Discord, so feel free to holler at me over there. And I hope you all enjoy the rest of your day. Trade safe, stay patient, and I will see you all tomorrow, 9:20 a.m. Eastern. Peace.